In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw arcs using polylines in AutoCAD. This technique allows you to create curved and straight segments within a single polyline object, making your drawings easier to edit and manage. To begin, type PLINE in the command line and press Enter. Select a starting point for your polyline. Once the command is active, type A and press Enter to switch from line mode to arc mode. Now move your cursor to define the shape of the arc and click to place the endpoint. AutoCAD will create an arc segment as part of the polyline. You can continue drawing additional arcs or switch back to straight line segments by selecting the Line option within the command. Using arcs within polylines helps create smooth, continuous shapes while keeping everything as a single object. This makes modifications, trimming, and editing much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.